Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from AliceWalker.London. Today we are going to talk about 5 thoughtful gift ideas, Valentine's gift ideas. Actually, it can be any occasion, or it can be birthday, or it can be for Christmas. It depends on how you see it really. It's not just limited to Valentine's, but because we actually get into the Valentine's period, I just decided to make it a Valentine's gift ideas. So I'm going to actually divide this video into 2. I'll do one for him and one for her. All these ideas are very thoughtful ideas that your man will love, and these are the sort of gifts that I will give to my man. Before we get into this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and come be a part of my YouTube family. I welcome all of you guys. Anyway guys, we're gonna get straight into the video. So the first gift I recommend you give to your man is an electric shaver. You know how men love gadgets, they like playing with things, toys. So I feel like electric shaver is a great idea. They get to play around whilst they're shaving and also have fun whilst they're shaving, and as well as look good for you for the night, that Valentine's night or that Valentine's weekend. Electric shaver is absolutely a great gift for your man. The second thoughtful gift that I would recommend is a fancy car ride. Men again love cars. I mean, I do love cars as well. I love cars. It's all the men that have been around me that I know, they love cars. So getting him a fancy car ride is going to be something that they will love and they will cherish and appreciate it. Just try and find out what type of cars they're into. It might be a car of their dreams, you know, an expensive car that they cannot afford, but they always wanted to maybe purchase in the near future, and then rent it for them for that day or for the whole weekend. And it could be actually good for you as well, because they get to drive around, you know, feeling very happy, fulfilling their dreams, and also you get to drive along with him to your date night or to your night out. If you get this for your man and he doesn't appreciate it or he doesn't like this, that means he's not into you. He's not a keeper. Trust me. So the third gift idea that I would recommend for you to get for him is, why not get a bracelet or a chain, a beautiful one, a really lovely one that he would love. And not just a bracelet, but try and maybe get an Egyptian symbols on it with your name and his name engraved on it, on the chain or on the bracelet. Or it could be something that both of you absolutely love, that is close to his heart. You can actually engrave it on the chain or the bracelet, give it to him, and in that case as well, it's going to be just you two who knows exactly what is written on the bracelet or the chain. Every time he wears that chain, he's going to remember you and he's going to have a big smile on his face. So that's my third Valentine's idea. The fourth idea, and this idea, I'm telling you, every man on the planet, if they really love you, they are going to absolutely love this gift. This one is a very thoughtful gift, very, very thoughtful. You can decide to purchase an iPad, a phone, or a laptop, but not just that. You can take images of yourself in your sexy underwear, looking all sexy, looking all beautiful, and just upload it on the iPad. And also write a very beautiful message, a message that's going to touch his heart, and leave it on the iPad or the phone or the laptop for him. He's gonna love it. Even if you get him this one and do not get him any present, you know he loves you and he knows he loves everything about you. So an image of yourself in your sexy underwear, looking all sexy, looking all gorgeous, he's gonna appreciate that and he's gonna love that. Or if you can't get him that, if you can't afford that, or your budget that will not permit you to get all that, maybe you can actually upload the images, take the sexy photos of yourself, upload them on your TV screen, to make it into like a presentation with a beautiful message, so when he comes home, he's gonna see this beautiful thing and the beautiful message. One thing I must say is you're gonna have to warn him that it's for his eyes only, because you can't trust a lot of people. You know how these days how pictures can go around very easily. So you're gonna have to tell him that it's for his eyes only. So my fifth and my final Valentine's gift idea for him is for a really lovely or romantic weekend away, but try and find out what he's into, the activities he's into. If he's into physical activities, if he's into entertainment, whatever it is that takes his boat, whatever it is that makes him happy, and make sure that the location that you pick has all that close by your hotel, so that he can enjoy all the stuff that he loves. This is the end of my list. If you love this list, or if you feel like there's something that you can recommend as well, you can share it in the comment bar below. If you get all of these thoughtful gifts for him, he will respect you more and he will even love you even more. I mean, what is there not to love? If he doesn't appreciate everything that you've put into this, then like I said earlier, I'm sorry, he's not your man. Thank you very much guys for watching, and the next video is going to be Valentine's gift ideas for her. And please subscribe